You know those moments when you have to think of something really quick? Your session suddenly finishes early, or you need to distract your group while you prepare for whatever's next, or you just need to fill some time. Try these 2 super simple, easy to lead activities that promise instant engagement that I always have in my back pocket. Number 1, I call it space counting. Form pairs with each person facing the other, extending their pointer finger about a foot from their partner's finger. And on go, both partners try to draw every number from 1 to 30 directly in front of themselves as quickly as possible. The first one to 30 pumps their fist and wins. It's simple, fast, and instantly engaging. You could play multiple rounds or swap partners. And here's number 2. I call this your ad. Form pairs again facing one another. One person calls set, which triggers both people to put their hands behind their backs, extending a certain number of fingers. And when the other partner calls go, both people thrust their hands forward, and the first person to correctly call out the sum of all of the extended fingers wins. Quick mental math, total focus, instant fun. There you go. 2 activities, 0 prep, always in your toolkit, ready at a moment's notice. Would you like more? I've got 50 plus no prop, 0 prep, 1 to 2 minute activities ready to go right now. Just check the links in the description below. Oh, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more lazy facilitator tips and activity ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and have fun out there.